Dito ka doon. Graduate yarn. So hi guys, dito kami ngayon sa ano? Ay, sa Makinhas. Bitaw! Dito ka sa mama dali. Nako na dito. Dito ka lagi ay ko na kay manipong ko. Pwede mo sudang dili nanay? Ubuan eh mong sulog jo. Walang si tirang. Walang si tirang. Chandra. Jadi
De la Peña Chuy Jr. A. Pedere Prince Inigo B. Quijada Jerome Michael F. Tabol Tyler James V. Valientos Percy Gyros P. Viliano John Dalton B. Zamorano Rangel A. Valier Zaya Marie S. Lina Sofia May B. Navarosa Scarlett L. Serafina Jazz Italian. Varona Gian Steph L. Velvar Chris Adrian M. Viliano Chandra Lomi J. Congratulations. Let us hear an inspirational talk by our MSWDO designate, Ms. Santa Margarita CDC. Marco P. Bautista, Word Smart Child, Music Smart Child, Self Smart Child, People Smart Child, Logic Number Smart Child, Picture Smart Child, and Body Smart Child. Zia Maret Escalier, Word Smart Child, Logic Number Smart Child, Self Smart Child, Body Smart Child, Picture Smart Child, People Smart Child. Percy Gyros P. Valientos. Self Smart Child, Music Smart Child, Word Smart Child, Body Smart Child, Picture Smart Child, and Logic Number Smart Child. Chandra Lori Jane C. Villaro. Word Smart Child, Logic Numbers Smart Child, Picture Smart Child, Music Smart Child, Body Smart Child, and Self Smart Child. Tyler James V. Caporo. Body Smart Child, Music Smart Child, Word Smart Child, Self Smart Child, and People Smart Child. Jazz Netanya and Serafina. Music Smart Child, Word Smart Child, Body Smart Child, Picture Smart Child, and Self Smart Child. Gian Steph L. Verana, Self Smart Child, Picture Smart Child, People Smart Child, Music Smart Child, Logic Number Smart Child. child, self-smart child. Picture smart child. Logic, number, smart child, and people, smart child. John Dalton B. Villaro. Music, smart child. Picture smart child. Self-smart child. Body smart child. Logic, number, smart child. Joey Jr. A. De La Peña. Picture smart child. People smart child. Body smart child. Word smart child. Jerome Michael F. Quijada. Self smart child. Body smart child. Music